Peter Chow here. Damn, fuck, excuse me. So what is the problem with people who don't wash their hands after peeing at the bathroom? Oh, 15. Oh, shit. Oh, it's really good. That is not washing your hands. It's almost like the people are feeling guilty that they don't wash their hands, so they almost have to pretend for everybody else in the bathroom that they are washing their hands. It's actually more difficult to pretend that you're washing your hands than actually washing your hands. It doesn't work. People are just going to look at you. Ugh, fuck. That's gross. That's disgusting. When you shake that dick, it's going to be a little pee that right back on your head. Don't be lazy. Wash your fucking hands. That's all Peter Chow is asking, for you to be clean, for you to be hygiene. Hygiene. No, that's first T. That's being first. Hygiene. That's what it is. Hygiene. Fuck you. Don't judge my grammar. To not wash your hand after you pee or you do the shitting, that should be a felony. Because you know why? It's disgusting. I mean, when you wipe your ass, that toilet paper is not total protection. It provides a wall so your hand is not directly touching your shit. But it's a little bit, you can feel the moistness of your shit on your hand as you dab your asshole with the toilet paper on top. That's why you need to wash your hands. Some motherfuckers in the world think it's okay that you don't wash your hands after you pee because they say, but the bitches put their mouth on it anyway and do the sucking. Why do you think the bitches brush your teeth after they suck your dick? That's why they don't want the pee stay in your mouth. Colgate whitening's not gonna take that shit out. Bad news all around. And you know that washing your hand will come in handy. Because what do you do when you exit the bathroom? You're going to go out and you're going to touch things. You're going to eat. That means you're spreading your pee to everywhere. If you're white, you eat a burger. You need both hands. That means you're eating a pee burger. Do you want to eat a pee burger? I don't think so. Oh, baby.
Is that pee?
What?
It smells like a dick.
Terrible. Just terrible. So what do you people think about people who don't wash their hands? Do you wash your hand? Do you right here? Do you? Watching this video right now, do you wash your hand after you pee and shit? Tell me in the comment section below, because I want to know how disgusting you are. So this is Peter Chow signing off. Remember to wash your hand and ciao outside, motherfucker. Here in Vancouver, BC at the Vogue Theatre, Peter Chow will be performing live. So make sure to get your tickets on comedyfest.ca or ticketmaster.com.